Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna. I am very happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, smile a little. Today's lesson is about something very important, making new friends. But maybe this feels difficult for you. Maybe you feel shy when speaking English. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you want to say something, but the words stay inside your head. Maybe you think, my English is not good. My grammar is wrong. My pronunciation is not perfect. Listen carefully. You do not need perfect English to make friends. Friendship is not about perfect grammar. It is about connection. It is about kindness. It is about courage. Today I will show you something powerful. One simple sentence can change your day. One simple sentence can start a friendship. We will listen to stories. We will practice slowly. We will repeat together. And you will feel more confident. Remember, you can download the worksheet in the description. You can practice again later. Now take one more deep breath and let's begin. Yesterday afternoon, I went to the park. It was not too hot. It was not too cold. The sky was blue. The wind was soft. Children were playing. Birds were singing. It was peaceful. I sat on a wooden bench. I was just watching people walk by. Then I saw a man walking a small white dog. The dog had curly hair. The dog was very happy. It was jumping and moving fast. I looked at the dog. The dog looked at me. The dog wagged its tail. I smiled. Then I looked at the man. I wanted to speak, but I felt shy. Inside my head, I heard a voice. Don't say anything. You will make a mistake. He will not understand you. Maybe you know this voice. Many learners know this voice. But then I thought something different. I thought, if I say nothing, nothing happens. If I try, something can happen. So I smiled and said, what a beautiful dog. Repeat with me slowly. What a beautiful dog. Pause. Good. Then I said, he is so cute. Repeat. He is so cute. Pause. This is a compliment. Compliments are powerful. They make people feel good. The man smiled. He said, thank you, his name is Buster. Now I had more information. Now the conversation could grow. So I asked, how old is he? Repeat slowly. How old is he? Pause. He said, he is 3 years old. Short answer. Simple answer. Easy English. Then he asked me, do you live near here? Now we were talking naturally. He speaks. I answer. I speak. He answers. This is small talk. Small talk is simple conversation. It is not deep. It is not serious. But it builds connection. We talked about the weather. We talked about the park. We talked about dogs. We talked for 10 minutes. 10 minutes started with one sentence. Now when I go to the park, I see him again. His name is Mark. We say hello. Sometimes we talk again, all because I said one sentence. Remember this. Friendship can begin with one moment of courage. Story 2. Grocery store. Extended emotional layer. Now I will tell you another story. Last week I was in a grocery store. I was standing in front of the bread section. There were many types of bread. White bread, brown bread, whole wheat, seed bread, fresh bread. I could not choose. Next to me there was a woman. She was also looking at the bread. She looked confused. She looked unsure. I saw her look at one loaf, then another. Then she put it back. I felt something. I felt that small opportunity. But again, I felt shy. Maybe she does not want to talk. Maybe she is busy. Maybe she will ignore me. But I decided to try something simple. I did not say hello. I talked about the situation. I said, it's hard to choose, right? Repeat. It's hard to choose, right? Pause. That small word, right, is very powerful. It invites connection. It invites agreement. She smiled. She said, "Yes, I don't know which one is fresh." Now we had something in common. We were both choosing bread. I said, "I usually buy this one. It's very soft, helpful, friendly, simple." Then I said, "By the way, I'm Anna." Repeat. "By the way, I'm..." Pause. She said, "I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you." Repeat. "Nice to meet you." Pause. Then I asked, "Do you like cooking?" She said, "Yes, I love Italian food." I said, "Me too." Repeat. "Me too." Pause. That small sentence creates connection. It shows similarity. It shows shared interest. Now when I see Sarah in the store, we smile. Sometimes we talk again. We were strangers. Now we are friendly faces. All because of one small sentence. Mistakes build connection. Now I want to tell you something important. You will make mistakes, and that is okay. One time at a party, someone told me, "I like bats." I thought about the animal, the flying animal. So I said, "Oh, they are scary." She looked surprised. Then she laughed. She meant baseball bats. We laughed for 5 minutes. That laugh made us comfortable. That mistake made us friends. Repeat after me. Mistakes are okay. Pause. Learning means mistakes. Pause. Confidence grows with practice. Pause. Very good. You do not need perfect English. You need courage. You need kindness. You need listening. When someone speaks, say, "Really?" Pause. "Oh, wow." Pause. "That's interesting." Pause. These small words show attention. People feel heard. And when people feel heard, they feel connected. Deep shadow practice. Now we practice longer. Imagine you are at school. Say this. "Hi, I'm new here." Pause. "Nice to meet you." Pause. "What class are you in?" Pause. "I'm in English class." Pause. "That's great." Pause. Now imagine you are at work. "Hi, I like your shirt." Pause. "Thank you." Pause. "Where did you buy it?" Pause. "I bought it online." Pause. "That's cool." Pause. Now imagine you are at a cafe. "Is this seat free?" Pause. "Thank you." Pause. "Do you come here often?" Pause. "Yes, sometimes." Pause. Good. You are practicing real life. Slow, simple, clear, powerful, closing, extended. Before we finish, I want you to remember something. You are not alone. Many learners feel shy. Many learners feel afraid. Many learners think, "My English is not good enough." But every confident speaker started small. Every fluent speaker made mistakes. Every friendship began with one sentence. Today you learned those sentences. Tomorrow try one. Smile at someone, say, "Hi." Give one compliment. Ask one question. Listen carefully. You can do this. One small step, one small sentence, one small moment of courage. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English with Mr. Bond. Download the worksheet below and practice again. And tell me in the comments, where did you meet your best friend? At school? At work? At a park? I love reading your stories. Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep learning. See you next time on English with Mr. Bond. Bye, everyone.